What does remittance mean? Remittance means money that is sent by a person to another person, usually to family members living in another place or country. In simple words, remittance means sending money to someone. Remittances are commonly sent by people who work in another city or country and send money back home to support their families. For example, many workers send remittances to their families every month. This means they regularly send money to help their families. Remittances are often sent through banks, online transfers, or money transfer services. They play an important role in supporting families and local economies. Here are more example sentences. He sends remittances to his parents in his hometown. Remittances help many families pay for education and daily needs. The bank offers fast international remittance services. In simple terms, remittance means money sent to someone, usually family, from another place. Easy way to remember. Remittance means money sent to family.